What if this year's Vlogmas intro is hot and sexy?
Oh.
Yeah. I'm thinking we hire a hot Santa stripper.
Okay, keep going.
You ready for Christmas, baby? Bop, bop, bop. Yeah. Oh, shit. Put the head back. Drop it back.
Ash, I can't hire a stripper. Happy Vlogmas day 12. Guys, when I tell you, I'm living my best life right now. If you didn't see yesterday's vlog, I ended up crashing at TK's last night, so I'm a downtown girly now, especially because she's gone for the day, so it's just me here, and I feel like I'm actually living as if I would live in my own apartment, my own place, and I kind of I'm sorry. But this is so dreamy and so beautiful. And I don't know why I don't come here more. Oh my God. I feel like I'm weird. Some people don't love city. Like some people would see this and get stressed out. It makes me so calm. Like it relaxes me. It makes no sense. I don't get it, but I love a downtown vibe. Like, I have gotten a shit ton of questions from you guys being like, when are you gonna move out? Or what happens if Ashley and Taryne leave? Like, are you gonna move? Is this your forever home? Blah, 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 blah. And to be honest, I don't know. If realistically, Ashley and Taryne moved out for whatever reason, I don't think I would. Actually, no, I know for a fact I would not enjoy being in my house by myself. Literally for years, I've always said, like, if I was to live on my own, I could so see me in a place like this, like a small apartment, one preferably with a view just because I love it so much, but it doesn't have to. I don't know. Yeah, I love it. So welcome to a whole video where you'll see what it would look like if I lived on my own. Definitely took me forever to get my vlog up this morning, so getting a late start to the day. I was gonna work out, but I think I'm just gonna do it tonight because we're kind of running out of sunlight with all my plans. So gonna get ready and put some makeup on because we gotta fix this. Like, look at me making my bed. Who the fuck am I? I made like such a bad makeshift makeup vanity. We got some PR boxes, a mirror. We're sitting on the floor on some pillows. As long as it looks good on camera, that's the rule. Even though I expose myself all the time, I'm like, look how bad this looks. Like, why do I do that to myself? Anyways, currently getting ready. I'm also getting hungry, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for lunch. Part of me feels like I might just go get some groceries and then make something here. Or I could like go somewhere by myself. That could be a cute little date moment. My Pretty Basic palette is so dirty because I use it every single day. I'm trying the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Supermodel. Although I probably shouldn't have done this because I just have my water bottle. Oh, also you guys are sitting on a card game. It's like an adult card game. It's called For the Girls. Oh, what do you meme? Duh, what do you meme? Okay, blush. I tried the MAC one yesterday, you guys, and literally moments like this, I'm like, why did people ever watch me for makeup tutorials? Like I used to do beauty tutorials. Hot mess. Color's pretty. My full review, the color's pretty. This is Sweet Enough, MAC's Sweet Enough Mineralized Blush if you didn't watch my Target and Ulta haul. Love it. Do I put lashes on today? I guess they're right here, so we should. Oh my God, I just realized I think the intro that you saw was the stripper, which I've been holding on to that one for a while. It's perfect for like a halfway through Vlogmas thing. That one was so freaking funny. Our friend David, he's the actor who did the stripper. He literally like did not break character. Like he kept going until we called cut. Clearly I broke character like 20 times. Like I'm just like hysterically laughing. I want to show you guys that entire clip with no cuts because when you watch the whole thing as one, it is so funny. He's like, put it in my put it in my pants, put it in my beard. Like literally so funny. I feel like that is my favorite intro. I don't want to say ever because maybe there'll be another one, but that one was just so funny. So here's the full behind the scenes of that. Please enjoy. You're welcome.
Scene 5, take 1, marker.
Hey, girl. You order Santa, ho? You ready for Christmas, baby? Where's the bell? Yeah, get it. Get it. Get it, girl.
Oh my God,
Get
yes.
it, girl. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, dang. Make it rain, Nance, girl. Relax. Relax. Give me your money. Put it in my pants. Put it in my beard.
Not me being bright red.
Come here. Jump up. Jump in the air. Come on, jump up here. Let's go. Spin around. Drop the head back. Drop it back. Nice. I gotta do some sort of headstand. I can't do it.
Can that just be my intro? Like just that. I'm crying. I'm fucking crying. I'm actually crying.
Did we get it?
No, we forgot it. Here's the fit. We got the Vlogmas 2021 merch, sweatsuit. You know, there's only so many more days where I can wear this during Vlogmas. Obviously, we can still wear it, you know, Christmas in July, but I think I've only really worn my cropped shirt that I have. I have another long one, but I love it. I love the set. It's so freaking cute. Anyways, we are fully ready. The makeup is on. I did something to my hair. I just like put a few curls in it, but I feel like now's the time. Let's go explore. Let's go explore downtown. Thank you so much. I just realized, we came to Takaya for lunch, but I just realized how even more, like I'm sitting here with a camera talking to myself, right? Probably more embarrassing the fact that I am wearing the Vlogmas matching set right now, and I'm by myself. Okay, I look so, like I'm that person. I'm that person, you guys. I feel like I never eat out by myself, let alone eat out by myself and vlog, but you know what? I love you bitches. This is fucking funny. Also, I will die if I eat this many jalapenos, so we're not gonna do that. Okay. We got some coffee. Oh, I can set you down, thank God. We got some coffee. It's also like kind of cold out, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm living my best downtown life, guys. I'm trying to figure out if I wanna just kind of keep walking around, if I wanna go to TK's roof, if I wanna go lay by her pool, even though it's cold, but like, you know, it could be cute. I'm just like, we're sliving, we're thriving. We're unbothered and thriving. Go shop MrMcCruzmerch.com or shop RemiCruz.com. We're back. Honestly, thoroughly enjoyed that. I went to Phil's and got their Tesora coffee. I don't think I've tried this. Hopefully it's not too hot. I'm kind of a wimp. I can't do hot coffee or hot drinks for anything. Like it feels like it's gonna be too hot. Then I get nervous and I'm like, when's it gonna burn me? Oh, that's good. It's a little hot though. I'm having so much fun like figuring out places to film in here. Like I feel like at my house I have my same go-to vlog areas, like my vanity, where I put my camera when I'm, you know, getting ready in my bathroom, where I put my camera when I'm downstairs making coffee. And I feel like all day I've been just trying to like figure out where I would put my camera. I'm like, I literally got out a ring light for this clip, so the effort. TK's still out. She's gonna be, I think she'll be back for dinner. I'm not sure. I should ask if she wants me to like make a reservation somewhere or if I should go to the grocery store and get some groceries and then we can cook dinner or what's going on. But I'm literally having so much fun. Not that I'm seriously considering moving out, but I've heard Ashley say how she would like to live on her own at some point before she's married. And honestly, like, I kind of feel the same. Not that I don't like the living situation now because I actually love it, but I do think you just learn so much about yourself when there's no one else around and stuff. But I don't want to think about that process because I love my house and I love Taryne and Ashley. So many people have also asked if the house I'm in right now is my forever home. And for some reason, from day one, I never saw myself raising kids in that house. But then also, I don't know, like maybe that is gonna be the case. Or maybe I'll meet someone and they're not even from here and then I have to move. Or like, I don't know. Like there's so many options, so we're not even gonna think about that. But I'm not opposed to raising kids in the house I'm in right now. Like, not opposed. I feel like I could really see myself moving to Orange County because that's such like family vibes. And Ash and I lived there for 3 years. Like, I don't wanna have to bring my kids to like Targets that have a parking structure. Do you know what I mean? Like, I would love for it just to be like a normal parking lot where you don't have to pay to get groceries, you know what I mean? But yeah, comment below somewhere you've always wanted to live on your own. I feel like I've always said like New York City for a few months. Maybe we'll get like an office in downtown. Maybe we'll get like an office or something and then I can just crash there whenever I want. Maybe that'd be a good transition, you know what I mean? I feel like Ollie and TK would love that. I can't picture having dogs in an apartment like this. I know it's very possible, I know everyone does it, but especially going from a house with a yard, I feel like it would be so hard for the dogs to adjust coming to apartment life. I'm not even sure if they have a dog park here. I feel like they do, but like some places don't, you know? And I cannot picture Chloe freaking peeing on the cement sidewalk. Like no. Ow. I have a little bit of work to get done. Oh shit. I'm a hot mess. TK, I'm breaking everything. Update. Sorry, this whole vlog is so funny. Came up to TK's rooftop because I figured I would enjoy my coffee with a beautiful freaking view. Luckily, no one's around, so I don't feel weird talking to the camera. I am living my best life. Y'all. Like what? I just attempted to take some like baddie Instagram photos. They all failed miserably. They looked horrible. So yeah, that's fun. I genuinely imagine like someone on the security cameras hold for helicopter. Like someone on this watching the security cameras and stuff, like watching me just trying to take photos. Failing miserably. We ended up going out to dinner. I literally was talking to them and I was like, do I go get groceries and cook for us? And I was like, that's weird. I was like, well, we'll probably go out to dinner. Anyways, we are gonna eat. I got a salad with salmon, and that's that. Update mother freaking time.
Woohoo, baby. Best dinner.
Dinner was great, the talk was better.
Oh, dinner was great. The company was better.
There you go. What's the dining? Yeah, whatever. I was trying to think of a better word, but also we're gonna flip this way now because the lighting's still good this way. I text Ollie, I was like, where should I like bop around?
Wait, you should have asked me.
I know, I'm sorry. TK. Taylor King.
Hold on.
I feel like it's already obvious, but I'm gonna spend the night again.
Okay.
I got late.
When your guest doesn't have a night light or any lights, get a ring light. Amazon.com. It's this crazy thing. You can order whatever the fork you want, and it just comes straight to your house. I got this from Amazon, and you can adjust it for your guest. Oh. Yeah. Material girl.
Oh shit.
Our neighbors are like, what the fork are they doing at the ring light?
Oh no, it's getting to the delusional hour. I cannot read it. I can't read it.
Fork you.
TK offered to bring me water. I said, oh, I don't need shit, not me spilling it everywhere. I'm so sorry. I said, I don't need water. I have my water bottle. And she said, no. Every good host brings their guest water. So she brings me this that says Festive Ass Fork
with a Chamberlain coffee straw. Period.
Kelly King is proud.
Yeah, always bring your guest water.
Sometimes I'm like, people think we're cool.
No, they don't.
They don't.
No, they don't. Seriously.
Oh shit, Susie.
Do you need a racket?
Of course it's fucking red.
This is what we do when we come to Auntie TK's house. You get a racket.
Okay, perfect.
Hey y'all. So
Wait, this is funny.
hey y'all, so if you want to come to the juice factory, get ready to play with your balls. Because I love, what's this called? Mini tennis. You know what I mean? And I just love them because this one's Stella Artois, so people think I'm rich because Stella Artois is like rich bear. And you know what's great is it has a padding on it. Feel it.
Oh.
And you can literally bring this to the beach, just pack it up, or you can play it at my house. And I'm gonna be honest, bestie, my house is a little small.
Bessie, I'm a little nervous.
I'm a little on it. I'm gonna be honest. My room is a little bit small, but this is like the mini tennis is good for my house. Look at me in the reflection.
That's gonna haunt me tonight.
If y'all didn't know, I love beer.
Same.
Stella Artois, Budweiser, Blue Moon, give me it all. I love it.
It's crazy hour. It's crazy hour.
Or you take this one,
Okay.
and I'll take this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh shit.
Right.
Oh, that's good. Okay. 5, 6, playing tennis. Oh. Right over there, boss.
Where'd it go?
Right over there.
Okay.
Flat. I love the handle. Don't you?
I know that is
It's
a nice
nice handle.
Nice handles.
Oh shit. Fork. Yes. Yeah. Oh. I was trying to be like Serena and do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
We're done. Anyways, we just did that for 30 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna get ready for bed. Figured I'd end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching my downtown life. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13.